Did you know the most powerful man in history once begged a homeless philosopher for wisdom? Diogenes owned nothing. He lived naked in a barrel. His only possession was a cup, which he threw away after watching a child drink with bare hands. When Alexander the Great found him sunbathing in the marketplace, the conqueror offered him anything he desired. Diogenes replied, "Yes, stand out of my sunlight." Alexander was so stunned he declared that if he weren't Alexander, he would want to be Diogenes. Think about this. The man who conquered the known world was impressed by someone who wanted nothing. Diogenes discovered something we've forgotten. True wealth means needing nothing from anyone. Real power comes from being so free that even emperors can't tempt you. While others chase gold and glory, he found happiness by rejecting artificial desires and living according to nature alone. His radical philosophy created cynicism, the belief that freedom comes from wanting less, not having more. The richest person isn't the one with the most possessions, it's the one who needs the least to be happy.